Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a great move. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its lows on the day, and then all of a sudden where it ultimately closed, any rational person would say, yeah, that was definitely a great move. But that brings about the logical question. But is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? I have no idea, but we'll see kind of how it plays out going forward. But there's a very straightforward way to answer that question. And that is down here by using that level at $1.93. Why is $1.93 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements of, with true strength, with genuine power behind them, those price movements aren't going to go back to where they were. They're going to make progress forward. So with that in mind, think about $1.93. In the event the price were to go down to $1.93 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price literally right back to where it was in that range of the chart. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price went down here, behaved in this manner, and then started to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps progressing in the upward direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $1.93. What about levels of resistance? As far as the sellers, right now, this level right around the $2.12 mark is acting pretty stubborn. It's knocked down the price on several occasions. Going back here, you can see knocked it down, and then fast forward into today, knocked it down. So I'm not saying 212 can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is currently struggling up at that area, and that if the price is going to break through it, apparently the price is just really going to need to bring its A game to break above it and stay above it. All in all, though, anyway, look at it, great movement today, and now the question definitely transitions over to can the price start to build upon this bounce going forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.